Hello, welcome back to the 7th House Art Studio, where tonight's video is going to be continuing testing the RoseArt products that I have. First one I did was the RoseArt 100 marker set, so check out that video. And then the second one was the RoseArt 100 set of gel pens, so check out that video too. Tonight is going to be the RoseArt 24 soft pastel sticks. And here's your colors. Artist grade soft pastel sticks, 24 rich and intense colors, perfect for drawing, blending, shading, and layering. Fade resistant. Fade resistant. Fade resistant. Okay. We are going to test them on the Toned Desert Brown Rembrandt Professional Choice paper. This is good for drawing, pastel, acrylic, squash, ink, and charcoal. So we're going to be testing that. Okay, here we go. It does come in a little sleeve. And here's the box, and it's the same information on the back. I might have to test these, see if they are fade resistant, because I'm working on a video right now to test the Crayola set of Colors of Kindness, these here. I'm doing a test on those to see if they're light fast. So anyway, here we go. I keep thinking I'm out of the shot. Okay. Now my flash is not on, so let's turn that on. That might be a little bit better. Okay, here we go. It is a little box. Nothing on that. Oh, they're bigger than I thought they would be. There you go. Hopefully I'm in the shot. There's all your colors. There's 24 colors. I had to smell them. They don't smell like, they smell a little bit, but you really have to get in there. Okay, so let's pick one out. There's nothing on it. So let's test these out. I'm glad I chose the toned tan paper. What is it? Toned Desert Brown. Because you're going to be able to see these lighter colors better. Okay, so we'll start with the white one. Of course, they're chalky, and there is dust. So far, they're not too bad. So far, there is a lot of crumbles and dust. There's no color names. Is there color names? Oh, there is. Okay. They're not in order of how they're... Okay, so we know this one was white. This one might have been light yellow, and this one might be jasmine. This one might be light orange. They're not in order, packaged in order as they are on the back. This one is probably orange. Vermilion. This could be, this is, I don't know, maybe magenta. I'm leaving the dust on there so you can see. Maybe peach blossom. I'm kind of confused here, the color names. Of course, being chalk pastels, they're a little rough. Am I making these big enough? Let me zoom in a little bit. There we go. Oh, this is a nice one. I do feel like I'm breathing in a lot of dust. I don't know if it's just because of they are chalk pastels or if it's this brand. That one's really nice. Some are a little bit softer than the other ones. Like this last blue one, that one felt really soft. And this one feels really soft. Of course, you get it on your hands. I mean, that's just the nature of the beast. Some people wear gloves doing this. Deal with that one. So far, I'm liking them. That one was a little crumbly. Okay, so there's the colors, and you can see all the dust that's on here, but you know, like I said, with chalk pastels, that's what you're going to get. So you do have a nice variety. And look, I wonder if you could like do something with that. Ooh, do you ever do that? You take your dust off your pastels and create. That's kind of a neat idea. I might try that. Okay, so let's just compare them with dropping everything. I have a set of, I believe, a Royal Lang Nickel. Let's just kind of test them out. Let's see, put them over here. Well, they're about the same. Yeah. They're about equal. Okay, so let's try to do some blending here. That's not a good one to pick, was it? Okay, let's try a different one. Let's go with this green. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. That wasn't very good, now was it? Oh, I just broke it. Oh, that really chaps my hide. That was my own fault. I pressed too hard. I was getting excited. Okay, so I do have these little, they're like foamy sponge. Yeah, I think I got these off of Temu. They're to blend. It's kind of sucking up the color though, you know. That was weird. This is better. Just use your finger. Okay, they blend like a dream. Look at that. They blend really good. Let's try another one. That was fun. Okay, let's try this. Black. Let's see. Gray, maybe? Or maybe a little bit of the brown. So whatever this color is. Wow. Okay. They blend so well. blend. I'm pretty impressed with that. Of course, they are a mess, you know. Let's try another test here of blending. Let's add a little bit of pink in this, see what that does. Oh, I broke another one. Okay, you don't want to, don't press real hard on these, they break. That's going to be with any chalk pastels, though. It's really making me mad because I didn't want to break them. Okay. Mad at myself there. Wow. Look at that. And you can lay some other colors on top of it. Oh, these are going to be fun. I'm liking this set. Okay, I'm going to... Okay, so these blend so good. These are amazing. I'm going to said fade resistant. Then you can add some highlights. Oh. Okay, so to help these, if you do a piece of artwork with these chalk pastels, you definitely want to spray them with something. So you want, this is what I use. This would be good on it. Krylon Workable Fixative. It protects pencils, pastels, and chalk drawings. Prevents smudging and wrinkling. Allows easy rework. Acid-free. Archival safe. So that's going to help it not smudge so much, and it's going to help with to keep the colors true and fade resistant and light fast. This paper is really nice too. The paper is great. This is kind of weird. It kind of just lifts the colors off of it. It's like an eraser. I mean, it does blend it, but it pulls up most of it. You could pull it over here. See, it's just pulling up most of the color. That's kind of weird. I'd rather just use my finger. That way, I don't know. I feel like you have more control over it. Oh wow, you could do like a soft, blurry background to create a 3D like you know, picture. So you could do like that for like your fuzzy background, and then draw, I don't know what you would draw. I don't know. I don't even know what this is. It's crazy is what it is. See, then it looks like it's the background is out of focus, like a photograph. Does that make sense? You got a blurry background, and then you put a detailed, clear picture on top of it, and it makes it look like you have a... I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. So anyway, it is a mess. That stuff kind of flakes out real fast. Okay, so that is the RoseArt 24 set of soft pastels. I like these. These, I don't remember how much they were, but I like them. I would recommend them, but don't do like me and press real hard. They blend well. They work really good on this Rembrandt paper. Okay. Let me zoom back out. Not back in. Okay. So this I'm happy with. Good, good, good. Okay, so what can I do with this dust? I mean, I feel like I could do something with it. Maybe just smear it around on the paper. Anyway, thank you for watching. Consider hitting that like button. If you like this content, hit that like button. Consider subscribing to help my channel grow and get out there to more people. Maybe wear a mask when you do these. Alright, thank you, and hopefully I helped in some kind of way, and have a great night.